Hi students, and welcome to week 7 in your Lifespan Growth and Development class. This week we are in chapter 7, which is having us move on to the next stage of life, and this time we'll be in middle and late childhood. So in this chapter we'll look at the physical and cognitive development of middle and late childhood. So let's take a look at your module for the week. You do have your third journal, so there's 4 total journals. So getting this third one out of the way, you are right on your way to almost being done with journaling. You have one Connect assignment, which is over genes and intelligence, and then your chapter 7 quiz. So other than your journal assignment, that's the only writing assignment for this week. Get that Connect assignment done and the quiz done, and you are all done for this week. You are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good one. Take care, everybody.